If you slept less than 7 hours last night, your brain is 40% worse at forming new memories right now. You're not tired. You're temporarily stupider. And it gets worse every night you do this. So here's the question. What if the most productive thing you do all day happens when you're completely unconscious? Right now, as you're watching this, your brain contains roughly 86 billion neurons. And every single night while you sleep, these neurons fire in patterns that create over 100 trillion synaptic connections. That's more than the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Tonight, while you sleep, your brain will literally rewire itself. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about those 8 hours forever. The stupidity trap. Let's start with the stupidity trap that's destroying millions of brains right now. There's this idea in hustle culture that sleep is for the weak, or that successful people only need 4 or 5 hours of sleep. You've probably heard someone brag about how little they sleep, like it's some badge of honor. Here's the brutal truth. Those people are systematically destroying their own intelligence. Matthew Walker, the neuroscience professor at UC Berkeley who spent his entire career studying sleep, put it this way: the shorter your sleep, the shorter your life. Not just your lifespan, your cognitive life, your creative life, your intelligent life. So what's really happening in your brain during those 7 to 8 hours? Let's break down the science. Memory consolidation. First, let's talk about why that 40% number from the beginning is so terrifying. During REM sleep, that phase where you dream your brain is actively replaying everything you learned during the day, it's like watching film footage after a game, analyzing what worked and what didn't. Harvard researchers found that people who get adequate sleep remember 40% more information than people who are sleep-deprived. That's not a small difference. That's the difference between mastering a skill and forgetting it entirely. And it's not just about memorizing facts. During deep sleep, your brain is transferring motor skills from short-term storage to long-term memory. This is why musicians practice a difficult passage, sleep on it, and wake up playing it better. It's why "I'll sleep on it" is actually brilliant advice. Your brain is literally processing the problem while you're unconscious. There's a structure in your brain called the hippocampus that temporarily stores new memories. During sleep, these memories get transferred to the cortex for permanent storage. Skip sleep, and that transfer doesn't happen. The memory just disappears. Carl Jung understood this intuitively when he said, "The dream is the small hidden door in the deepest and most intimate sanctum of the soul." Your brain isn't shutting down at night. It's doing some of its most important work, the glymphatic system. But here's where it gets even more critical and frankly, more terrifying. There's something called the glymphatic system, and this is going to blow your mind. Think of your brain like a house that gets dirty throughout the day. Neurons fire, chemicals are released, metabolic waste builds up. But here's the catch. Your brain doesn't have a cleaning crew that works during business hours. It has a night shift. The glymphatic system is essentially your brain's waste disposal system, and it only kicks into high gear when you're asleep. Research from the University of Rochester discovered that during sleep, the space between your brain cells actually expands by up to 60%. This allows cerebrospinal fluid to flush through your brain tissue, washing away toxic proteins, including beta amyloid, the same protein that accumulates in Alzheimer's disease. Here's the scary part. The glymphatic system operates at 10 times its normal efficiency during sleep compared to when you're awake. That means every night you cut your sleep short, you're letting toxins accumulate in your brain. Over time, this isn't just about feeling groggy. This is about cognitive decline, memory problems, and a dramatically increased risk of dementia. Your brain literally cannot clean itself properly without sleep. Synaptic pruning. Now here's where it gets really fascinating. Synaptic pruning. Throughout the day, Your brain creates thousands of new neural connections. You read something, you have a conversation, you learn a new route to work. Each experience creates synapses. But here's the problem. Your brain can't keep everything. So during sleep, your brain acts like a gardener, pruning dead branches so the healthy ones can grow stronger. This is called the synaptic homeostasis hypothesis. Discovered by researchers at the University of Wisconsin, your brain evaluates all the connections made during the day and makes a decision which information is important enough to keep and which should be deleted to make room for tomorrow. This is why you often wake up with solutions to problems that seemed impossible the night before. Your brain spent the night strengthening the useful connections and clearing out the noise. Einstein reportedly came up with the theory of relativity after a dream. Mendeleev discovered the periodic table in his sleep. This wasn't luck. This was their brains rewiring themselves, making connections they couldn't make while conscious. The anti-stupidity protocol. So here's your anti-stupidity protocol. 5 rules to optimize your brain's nightly rewiring session. First, the 7 to 8 hour rule. This is non-negotiable. Sleep isn't a luxury or a suggestion. It's a biological necessity. You wouldn't skip charging your phone and expect it to work. Don't skip charging your brain. Second, the dark bedroom protocol. Even a small amount of light can destroy your melatonin production, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. Your bedroom should be completely dark. If you can see your hand in front of your face, it's too bright. Third, the temperature sweet spot. Your brain needs to cool down to enter deep sleep. Keep your room between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, about 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Too warm, and your brain never reaches the deep stages where the real rewiring happens. Fourth, the pre-sleep routine. Put away all screens at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light from your phone, tablet, or laptop tells your brain it's daytime, which disrupts your circadian rhythm and delays sleep onset by up to an hour. Fifth, the consistency principle. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every single day, yes, even on weekends. Your brain thrives on routine. Irregular sleep patterns confuse your circadian clock and reduce sleep quality even when you're getting enough hours. So let's come back to where we started. The most productive thing you do all day? It's sleeping. 1 night of poor sleep reduces your ability to form new memories by 40%. Chronic sleep deprivation doesn't just make you tired. It makes you demonstrably less intelligent. Tonight, don't think of sleep as time wasted. Think of it as your brain's upgrade session. While you're unconscious, your brain is cleaning house, consolidating memories, pruning unnecessary connections, and strengthening the ones that matter. Every night, you have a choice. Rewire your brain for genius, or let it deteriorate. Choose wisely.